Demeaning, hurtful, insulting, a two-fingered salute to an entire generation. Minister, these are the words that people are using to describe the decision by your government to share a video advising people how to cope with moving back into the family home. People in their 20s, in their 30s, in their 40s, forced to move back in with their parents. I know Spun Out helped with this video, a very good organisation that does great work, and it's no reflection on them or the young people in the video, but it shouldn't be left to a youth organisation to clean up Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael's mess. But the decision by this government to share this video has caused fierce anger. The video suggests that those forced to move back in with their parents should help around the house so that they will be viewed as adults. Now, God Almighty, Minister, how patronising is that? Did anybody in government look at this video before it was shared in the official platforms by the Department of Housing? Did anybody think about how people would react? Do you see why young people are offended and hurt by your government sharing this video? And do you accept that it is wrong for this government to make young people feel that they are somehow at fault for your housing crisis?
This video and the information campaign is not a direct Department of Housing campaign, and it is something that you've said yourself has been developed by Spun Out, Ireland's youth information and support platform, and the housing agency who've ran this campaign. And it was developed by young people and is based on their experiences.